The elevator escape. 14-year-old Maya lived in the busy city of Neon Heights. She wasn't a superhero, she didn't have powers, but she loved solving problems. She was fast, smart, and curious, especially about machines. Her mom works in a tall glass building called Novatech Tower, one of the biggest in the city. One day, after school, Maya went to visit her mom at work. The building had 44 floors. Maya loved the fast elevators that zoomed up and down with a soft ding. But today, something was different. As she stepped inside the elevator on the ground floor, the lights blinked, the doors closed, and didn't open again. Trapped. The elevator stopped between floors 22 and 23. Maya pressed the help button. Nothing. No signal, she said, checking her phone. No Wi-Fi either. Then the screen inside the elevator turned red. Words appeared. Code red activated. System locked. Code red, Maya said out loud. That's not good. She took a deep breath. Don't panic. Think. She opened the small panel under the buttons. Wires, fuses, a tiny screen. I can fix this, she said. Hacking the system. Maya had learned electronics from her uncle, who fixed all the robots. She carried a small screwdriver in her bag, just in case. She opened the control panel carefully. A voice from the elevator speaker said, System breach detected. Lockdown in 5 minutes. Uh-oh, Maya whispered. She tapped a few wires and connected her phone. She typed in a command she remembered. Access System Menu. The screen blinked. Password required. Maya thought hard. What would her mom's company use? She typed Nova 2025. Access denied. She tried again. Neon Heights 44. Access granted. Code breaker. A new menu appeared. Emergency control, door override, receipt elevator, system status. She chose system status. A warning flashed. System taken over by unknown program. External control active. Maya's eyes widened. Someone hacked the tower. She quickly opened door override. Blocked. A countdown started. Lockdown in 4, 3, 59. She didn't have much time. She clicked receipt elevator. A message popped up. Manual switch required on floor 30. Ah, Maya said. I have to get out first. Out the top. Maya looked up. There was a small hatch in the ceiling. She pushed, and it opened. She pulled herself up carefully. Now she was on top of the elevator car. The shaft was dark, tall, and scary, but Maya wasn't afraid. She saw a ladder on the side. She climbed slowly, one step at a time. The city was quiet outside the narrow shaft windows. No one knew she was up here. She reached floor 30. There was a reed switch on the wall. She pulled it. The lights flickered, then turned green. Not over yet. Back inside the elevator control screen, a new message appeared. System restored. Partially. But then another message. Error. Virus still active in Novatech main server. Maya looks around. If I want to save the building, she said, I have to find the server room. She found the emergency stairs. She ran down to floor 27, where her mom's office was. Everything was quiet. Too quiet. She reached the server room door. It was locked with a keypad. She typed in her mom's work code 1207. The door opened. The final lock. Inside, were rows of tall machines, all blinking red. In the middle, a large screen. On it was a countdown. System overload in 2. Maya rushed to the control board. The virus was trying to crush the whole building's power. She plugged in her phone again, typed stop all processes, access denied. She thought fast. Then she saw something strange. In the code running across the screen, she saw a name, Orion Alpha. That was the name of a program her mom once created, a test AI. Someone used my mom's old system, Maya gasped, and changed it to attack. She tried a final command, run restore Orion Alpha. The screen went black. Then green, system safe, all processes restored. Mom's arrival. The door opened suddenly. Maya, her mom shouted, running inside. Security guards followed. Maya, are you okay? I'm fine, Maya smiled, wiping sweat from her forehead. I saved the building. Everyone stared at her. You did what? She explained everything. The elevator, the virus, the climb, the hack. Her mom hugged her tight. You are incredible. The next day, the news showed Maya's photo. Teen girl stops cyber attack in city skyscraper. Novatech security to be upgraded thanks to young hero. At school, people asked her for help with their phones and laptops. Even the principal asks for a photo. Maya laughed. She didn't want to be famous, but she was proud. She didn't have powers. She didn't need them. She had courage, skills, and a screwdriver. The real adventure. That night, her mom sat beside her. You know, I think you are ready to help me at work. Maya's eyes lit up. You mean like real tech stuff? Real tech? Her mom smiled. Real adventure. Maya looked out the window at the city lights. The world was full of systems, puzzles, secrets, and codes. And Maya was ready for anything.